In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger step by step. If your website is still showing as not secure in the browser or loading with HTTP instead of HTTPS, this guide will help you fix that quickly and correctly. Securing your website with HTTPS is essential for SEO, user trust, and protecting data. The best part is that Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate, so you don't need to pay anything extra to make your site secure. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting that ensures your website automatically redirects to HTTPS. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Websites from the top menu. You'll see a list of your domains. Find the website you want to secure and click on Manage. Inside your website management area, look for the Security section in the left-hand menu. Under Security, click on SSL. This is where you can manage your SSL certificates. If SSL is not installed yet, you'll see an option to install a free SSL certificate. Click on Install next to your domain. Hostinger will now begin setting up the SSL certificate for you. This process may take a few minutes, so just give it a little time to complete. Once it's finished, you should see the status change to active. Now that the SSL certificate is installed, your website technically supports HTTPS. However, it may still load as HTTP unless we force it to redirect properly, so the next step is very important. While still inside your website management area, go to the Hosting settings and look for an option called Force HTTPS. In most Hostinger plans, you'll find this setting in the same Security or SSL section. Simply toggle on the Force HTTPS option. What this does is automatically redirect anyone who visits your website using HTTP to the secure HTTPS version. This ensures that all traffic is encrypted and that users always see the secure version of your site. After enabling Force HTTPS, give it a few seconds to apply. At this point, your site should be configured correctly, but there's one more step many people forget. You need to clear your cache. If you're using a caching plugin on WordPress, clear the website cache from your plugin settings. If you're not using a plugin, clear your browser cache. You can also open your website in an incognito or private browsing window to test the changes. Now, type your domain into the browser address bar, including HTTP at the beginning, and press Enter. If everything is set up correctly, it should automatically redirect to the HTTPS version of your website. You should also see a padlock icon in the address bar, which confirms that your SSL certificate is active and your site is secure. If you don't see the padlock right away, don't panic. Sometimes DNS changes or SSL activation can take a little time to fully propagate. Wait a few minutes and test again. And that's it. You've successfully changed HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger. Your website is now more secure, more trustworthy, and better optimized for search engines. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Hostinger and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.